This is Governor Hogan. It's Black History Month. And I'm calling Governor Hogan out on his Black History comments. He said he stand with Frederick Douglass, but he sit here and made $500 million off of free labor out the black bodies. He's reinventing Jim Crow justice with his 2022 crime bill. That's Governor Hogan. He had me taken off the ballot in 2014. That's Governor Hogan. That's a mail receipt. That makes it a federal offense. That's President Trump. Governor Hogan trying to send our kids back to the slavery. Traded the penitentiary for the plantation. Cotton for cocaine and our kids the cash crop. That's Ronald Reagan. That's Governor Hogan. That's like looking at George Wallace. You feel me? And we talking about Black History Month. So let's make this a moment. That's a Jailhouse Diary from 2007. That's a Jailhouse Diary from 2011. I was making a movie about the Democratic Party and the money y'all make off black bodies. That's Scott Shellenberger. Alright? That's the toilet. It's the art of getting money. Community in crisis. You feel me? This is Delegate Stephanie Smith. Delegate Stephanie Smith, the Maryland Black Caucus, the GOP Carter, Conway, Frank Conway, the Judiciary, Sid Noor, Corey McRae. Y'all got this. Sent from a correctional institute. That's Wayne Kim, Department of Justice, Washington, D.C. That's Stephanie Smith. That's me when I was locked up in Towson. That's my nephew, Clay Price. And Clay Price will testify in front of a federal grand jury. That's my nephew, Clay Price. Alright? That's Peter Franchot. I need an audit, a federal estate audit. That's the IRS. I was locked up in another state, and I was making a documentary about your prison industry. That movie was worth $250 million. And you, the controller, you got control of the finances of the state of Maryland. That's an IRS audit. That's Delegate Stephanie Smith. And the world is watching Baltimore. We're going to give them something to see. Governor Hogan, you got to produce that mail for a federal investigation. Shorty, pull your mask up. Y'all made me internationally known. So let's go through this. That's the case right there. Scott Shellenberger. Black History Month. If I can go to jail, so can Scott Shellenberger. He lied to the grand jury. He presented false evidence to the grand jury. He perpetuating Ronald Reagan and Reaganomics. I'm a free man, so let's talk about my freedom. Alright? So if you want to hide something, put it in a book. Delegate Stephanie Smith got this book. She got this book and won't return it. So let's turn the pages. Let's release all material to the voters. That's Gov.O'Malley parole and probation. That's 2009. See that? That's WVON. Chicago, Illinois. 2007. Alright? That's the State Board of Elections. Ex-felons can vote and they can run for office. And I registered for the 2022 elections. That's the Supreme Court as an indigent. Because I'm an indigent. I'm homeless. I'm poor and nameless. I ain't rich and famous. But I was making a movie about your prison industry. And I was a lab rat. 2007. Dwayne G. Davis, Falls Road. Alright? It's about the mail. And the mailman. Alright? Governor Hogan, you got that? That's the Supreme Court. That's the Shorty program. Alright? And this program is social, economic, political, medical, environmental, and members needed. You stole from a nonprofit $250 million. And you got to give me that audit. Visual and performing arts, political involvement, photography, journalism, technology, design, law, sports, and cultural exchanges. I gave you Martin Luther King over Ronald Reagan. I gave you Martin Luther King over Ronald Reagan. I gave you a program that works. That's Gov.O'Malley. All right. That's 2006. My Storm Falls Road. Get Shorty. Making a movie. Get Shorty. Get Shorty. You got it? Get Shorty. Get Shorty $250 million. See that? April 2017. Judge Cox grand jury request about Scott Shellenberger. All right. You reading that? Whoever having knowledge. Governor Hogan, you got knowledge. That makes you parties to a crime. That's identity theft, vandalism, complaint form. And that's my complaint form number. Governor Hogan, you got mail. You got to produce that. Governor Hogan, vanity complaint form. Governor Hogan, Scott Shellenberger. Governor Hogan, that's the United States Senate. In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. That's Senator Hardin, and that's Governor Hogan. That's Governor Hogan. He's making a documentary. That ain't against the law. That's Governor Blagojevich. If Blagojevich can go to jail, so can Governor Hogan. That's Blagojevich. That's Governor Hogan. That's brother insurance. I was insured. I was assured my policy was currently paid. Blagojevich. Hogan. Mail. That's Exhibit 3. Zion, Illinois, 60099. That's Special Agent Jason at the FBI, the Chicago field office. Y'all got a file on me. Respectfully written, Dwayne G. Davis. See the case number? All right. The Honorable Judge Starks. State of Illinois versus Dwayne Davis. All right. That's the NAACP, the ARDC, and the Lake County Board. Y'all had that before I came back home. That's Chief Justice Roberts. This is a follow-up. It's my whistleblower's application, 2013. Governor Hogan, whistleblower's application. Whistleblower. Governor Hogan, I'm a whistleblower on the courts and the criminality in the courts. And Governor Hogan's 2022 crime bill. I'm a whistleblower. I'm a drum major for justice. And it ain't going to be just us in 2022. That's Judge of the Supreme Court. That says whistleblowers. That says NAACP, Eric Holder, the ACLU, and President Obama. This was the property that you stole from me. All right, filed 2007. See? January. That's the property you stole in 2007. That's that property right there. And these are the lawyers that participated in it. Waller, Ken LaRue, and Karen Levy. And James Bailey. I said I put it all in a book for everybody to see. I put a toilet in front of the Towson courthouse. I put a toilet in front of the school board. And the school board was about your school to prison pipeline. That's what that was about. That's the Baltimore Bruin, Tim Williams. That's Vic Carter, Kai Jackson, Mary Bubala, Denise Koch. And that's parole and probation. Spring Grove. Consent to be videotaped. And it's about your prison industry. Linda Dodge, parole and probation. Governor Hogan and Ronald Reagan's Reaganomics. That's 2007. That's Julian Bond, NAACP, and your prison industry. That's the Legislative Black Caucus. Alright? That's the Legislative Black Caucus. That's Governor Hogan. That's 2009. See how long I've been doing this, Gov? That's 2014, 2015, 2014. False imprisonment, police brutality, judicial prisoner, right advocate, follow-up to a federal investigation. That's Congressman Cummings' office. You got that. Bank of America, SunTrust Bank. All right. Shorty's Underground, Cockeysville. I need an audit. See that? That's my business number. And you're the controller. And I need an audit. Because I'm out $250 million. And Governor Hogan know about it. I need a federal and state audit. I was locked up in another state. I was kidnapped for making a documentary about the prison industry. Shorty's Underground Ribs, 111950 Falls Road, catering and barbecue. My paperwork is in order. Congressman Cummings got it. And these is the forged checks. Notice of departure. Interstate compact. Like I said, I was in another state. That's 2006. That's 2007. And the fraud was committed in 2008. I need a federal and state audit for 2008. I need all that money checked. I own Shorty's. Governor Hogan know about it. It's your prison industry. At $250 million. Y'all made $500 million a year off of prisons. Well, I want my chop. I'm blowing the whistle on you. And my paperwork is in order. See that? County Bureau of Corrections. Complaint form. 2011. Received 2011. Mr. Fields, I'm a whistleblower. I blew the whistle on you. Gov.O'Malley, Congressman Cummings, Cardins, Mikulski, Richard McFeely, Judge Bell, Judge Pearson, Judge Turnbull, Judge Boris, Governor Quinn, Eric Holder, CBS Gayle King, and Bank of America. Filed it 2011. That's the case number. Judge Sauter. My book is called The Minority Report. That's attorney-client privilege. All right? And my lawyer participated in that. See that? Political prisoners advocate. It's my Jailhouse Diary, 2011. Here's the first draft of the diary. See the pages? All the way to the 28th. That's a court order to have my property returned. And I haven't got my property back yet. It's about Scott Shellenberger, 2014. And that's my ID number. To be the best, you got to beat the best, and you ain't beat me yet. That's Scott Shellenberger, and that's me. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. Governor Hogan, your 2022 crime bill is slavery reinvented under the 13th Amendment. And I'm saying no to your crime bill. And make sure you bring all this evidence, because that's Governor Hogan, that's Scott Shellenberger, that's the Department of Justice. That's James Calabrese, the state prosecutor. All right. That's Chief Johnson, Baltimore County Police Department. Criminal Investigation, IRS. All right. Criminal investigation. IRS. We're gonna show you the money that you've been hiding. Right here. Right here. Criminal investigation. IRS. Mr. Dwight Pettit. Paul Ballard, Attorney General's office. Judge Papaya, Judge Turnbull, Judge Souder. Yeah. I'm giving you the school of law, and I'm getting ready to school all y'all. The Baltimore Sun, Chief Editor. That's the Department of Justice number. Alright. Justin Burke. Christian Schaefer, Roosevelt Lefkowitz, Mike Marion, Richard Scher, ABC 2. Alright. Baltimore Sun, Chief Editor. See that? All material given to your newspaper. So Governor Hogan, Peter Franchot, I need that audit. I'm out $250 million. And I ain't hard to find. Feel me? Governor Hogan, Peter Franchot, Shorty, and Martin Luther King. Y'all wrote a check with insufficient funds. Because Governor Hogan, you participated in this. You got mail. You got to answer that mail.